And welcome back to Darksouls Remastered. With me, I'm Corvus. And I wanted to say in the last episode, and just 20 minutes in, I thought nothing. I don't think a lot, but I wanted to show you I could be gone. Hi, now I'm here. At the right side of the screen, there are my souls. Right? You can't see them if I'm... But I think I won't block too much if I'm on that side. I can't be in the middle because there is, like the whole game, I can't be on the left side because there's everything I'm wielding. Maybe sometimes in combat I have to quickly switch between whatever I have and the Estus, and that's maybe more interesting than my souls. I mean, I will die, I will have 0 souls. You will see that. Reverse. Hello. Hello. In the last episode we went on a small journey to a graveyard and didn't die a stupid death. Okay. I know you can do that. Don't tell me you're too heavy. What the fuck? That shouldn't be that difficult. Can I walk? What is happening? I will do that. It is possible. No, I'm just stupid. Okay, come. 2 or 3 more tries. Maybe only 1 because I don't need more! God damn it. Do I? Can I? So. Now or never. One more. There's just a crossbow over there. One time. I want to jump, okay? I want to try at least. I don't get it. I'm 100% sure you can go there. But I can't. So, no crossbow for me. I will never use. How far can you? Yeah, okay. I was more interested in that mystery item we saw directly below here. Because I have no idea how you get it. I don't remember. Can't go down here. Or am I just extremely stupid? There's just a door. Okay. I am extremely stupid. A little bit of souls. There is even more. Ah, okay, okay. That's blocked off. That's that. You see, you don't need to be a genius to play that game. I'm a very good example. And like I said, you could jump that gap, you come out on that balcony, and at the end of it, maybe you can see, yeah, that's a crossbow. I never used crossbows, and if I'm using crossbows in Dark Souls, it would be probably in Dark Souls 2, where they have cool upgrades. Here they don't. They just don't. It's a baby! Bye bye, baby! Tiny lizard. Okay. Blood. I'm getting shot. Do you help me? Okay. Oh, I wanted to play without using the shield too much because it is a bit boring. It makes it easier because you block so much stupid damage. I didn't want to roll. Whoops. Double whoops. Uh-oh. Maybe just, if you go down here, the crossbow boy can shoot you. Hey. Makes it a little easier. Is it a crossbow? Yes, it's not a bow. Come here, baby. I will kill you. I will kill you. Come here. Asshole. Okay. Now we go here. And enemies with a shield. Especially a little bit bigger shield. And lances. They tend to not lower their shield. They don't. You can actually... If I'm holding my shield and I attack, my shield goes away. With a lance, which I actually have... Okay. You can hold your shield up while attacking. Still boring. But you can kick their shield and they are vulnerable for a short time. So sometimes you have to use that. You could also attack them until they have no stamina. Then their guard breaks a little. With a similar effect like kicking them. But you need to use your stamina to attack them. And sometimes you don't have enough. Because a shield is for blocking. If you try to attack it, you lose. You normally lose more. Oh god. Stamina than they do. No. No. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. I'm stupid and you're dead. I'm stupid, you're dead. Stupid, you're dead. That's a tiny, tiny door. Is it a window? Maybe it's a window. But it looks like that's a... It's a tiny door. It's a tiny baby door. Oh! Throwing knives, always nice to kite. Maybe you can't actually jump that, but this you can! Hello. Okay. We get our useless crossbow. I'm so happy. What was it? Trust butthole? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I should drink an Estus, but look at us. We have so much health left. So much. And what is the worst that could happen? A tiny baby lizard eating us? Well, maybe. Maybe. That's... That should be locked, as far as I know. Here's a shield. It's a pretty good shield if you're not a bandit with a spider shield. You can use that if you start without one. That's no shame, but I was sure that is locked. I was very sure, so.
Well now.
Hello!
Then you are a welcome customer. I trade the souls. Everything's for sale.
He's lying. The first words he says to us, he's lying. He has a special item you can not buy from him. You would have to kill him. And I really like that item. We will buy the residence key. And I would like to buy the box, but I don't have enough souls. You see, it costs 1000. Dagger, short sword, scimitar. I never used it. Rapier, hand axe. You start with a hand axe if you are a pyromancer. Reinforced club, spear, short bow. Some shields no one uses. Here you can buy ammunition for your crossbows, your bows, which can actually be useful in that game. But sometimes they're not. Chain armor you don't really get anywhere else, but at the same time, bleh.
Thank you kindly.
If you kill him, he will drop the residence key. He will, I think, drop the bottomless chest. And his weapon that you cannot see here, which is a high dexterity weapon, which is pretty cool. Maybe I will get it. But maybe not. Maybe I don't want to kill him. There are other weapons like that in the game, but you get them way later. Boopity. Snoopity. Level up 775. And now you see pretty well enemies respawn. Oh, you're already here. Oops. Oopsie. And even if I have rested at the bonfire, my Estus didn't go up to 10. Because normal bonfires, I think every bonfire in the game except that at Firelink Shrine, I remember the name, gives only 5 Estus. You could level them up to give you 10, but that's at the cost of humanity. You need to reverse your hollowing, which costs 1 humanity, and then you have to put humanity in the fire. And that's always, sometimes that's just not worth it for every bonfire in the game. You could do that. It will make the game a little bit easier on hard sections. I don't want to roll, I want to run. But I have to remember it's not Dark Souls 3. The gameplay changed a little. Oops. Hello? Oh yeah. I thought here was a chest. It's in this room. I was a little bit surprised by the enemy. Okay. Pine tar. Firebomb. Okay. Different things. I mean, maybe I should. It will clutter up our inventory a little. So if I have to quickly change, there's now more bullshit in here, but normally I'm on my Estus. The one in the back will throw firebombs. Okay, I fucked that up. No. Okay. Okay. That was extremely bad. No. And down it goes. Can you stop with the firebombs? Thank you. Hey! What the fuck? Stop. Stop it! Hello! Kill. Don't you throw firebombs at me. Ow! Hey. Don't like it. Can you go there? Should I go there? Can you go there? You can! What? Does it do anything? Does it lead to any... No! Great! Great. And damage. Just what I always wanted. Okay. With the key I purchased, we can go in here. And like I said, I was sure the door down there for the shield was also locked with the same key, but why should one residence key unlock a door half a mile away? I don't know, maybe I'm just stupid. And here is a weapon enhancing item. I think pine tar, but I'm not sure anymore. Gold pine resin. Pine tar was something else, maybe Dark Souls 2. With that I could enhance my weapon to do lightning damage. Which I don't know is particularly good against dry undead. Well, those are not skeletons. They have a little bit of body left, maybe blood, so I don't know. Don't shoot me. Normally, if you infuse your weapon with something, lightning damage, fire damage, magical damage, it loses a bit of its normal attack power. In that case, my striking damage, or whatever it was called. But no. The lightning damage you gain from it is way better. Hello, funny boy. Whoops! No! The pillar just blocked me, I nearly died. Well, we lost so much Estus. Now I can go find a big friend where I will use my shield for. Because this funny guy is not funny at all. He's a black knight, just 2 or 3 heads larger than me. Backstab! 8 damage. 104 damage. And he's still very healthy. Don't fight him down there. Walls are your enemy. He should follow me. Oh yeah. Up here. I like to fight him here because it's a larger area. I can flee if I have to, and I will probably have to because I'm stupid. Lunga. Okay, cool. Don't ever do a roll attack. Not good. Can I backstab you? Yes! Okay, I should do two-handed. Whoppa! Backstabs. They're a little stronger. He's not that bad if you know his attacks and can just go around him, backstab him. But he is extremely strong. Whoops. Okay, no. No, I don't like it. Maybe it's enough to kill him. No! He's still alive. He is still alive. Don't like that. You're dead. Normally I die against him. Black Knight! You know? I don't know if he drops that every time. I cannot wield it. I need 9 more dexterity. Then I can dual-hand it. And it scales worse than my battle axe? C in strength for both, but only E in dexterity. Weird. But okay. I don't know if he drops it always. Did he also drop his shield? I forgot. Okay, I forgot. Well, and what you get from that, other than his loot, is a blue tearstone ring, which is a stupid item, I think. I can equip it. It's not a ring that can break, I think. No, it has no... Okay. It boosts defense when my HP is low, and really low. So low that I don't even know that a higher defense helps anything. Not in a boss fight, where they can... Nope. Do half your health with 1 hit, if you're a little lightweighted. Then a defense boost at low HP just does nothing for me. The blue tearstone ring I really don't get. Maybe he's okay against weaker enemies that then don't have the chance to kill you with your next attack, with their next attack. In here. In here. In here. Nope. But I really don't know. In here. Yeah. Don't. No. No, 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 no. Okay. Those Titanite lizards? I don't even know what they're called. But if you kill them, they will run away and despawn after a little bit. They come back if you're not able to kill them. If you rest at the bonfire, of course. But they drop pretty good stuff, like that Twinkling Titanite will do nothing for us. But it helps you get or level up your weapons. If you have really good weapons. It wouldn't do it for our axe right now. Normal Titanite shards are for that, but you know. I will end the episode after I level up. because you saw there was a fog gate, and we will enter in the next episode. Maybe we will just run past every enemy. Maybe not, but it will go a little quicker the next time. Because we don't need to go to the merchant, we don't need to fight the Black Knight, who will not respawn. But okay. One more endurance and some strength. Like I said, I could do 1 dexterity to wield the Zweihander. And maybe I do it if I don't want to use the axe, but the axe is pretty nice. It's nice, it's usable. If you enjoyed that episode, we will see each other again. Like always, you will see me. I can't. I'm pretty blind. Yeah, like the video. You can comment. What question do I use today? Do you use shields in Dark Souls? I mean, at the beginning, really no shame. Shields are pretty good. Help you out of a lot of damage. Do you use them still? Would you use them still? Or do you say, I want to take damage to my face? I like it. Until next time. Corvus out.